In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your Paxful forgotten password. Paxful is a peer-to-peer cryptocurrency marketplace that enables users to buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin as well as other cryptocurrencies directly with each other. Now, if you have forgotten your password of your Paxful account and want to recover it, you will need to first open your Paxful application. Also note that you will not be able to recover the same password that you have forgotten before. Instead, you will need to add a new password after successful verification of your account. For that, once you go to this interface of your Paxful account, tap on this login button just below the create account option. By simply tapping on it, you will be taken to this page. Here in the first box, first enter your email address. Now, at the very bottom, you will find forgot password option. Tap on this forgot password option and it will ask you to enter that email. Here the email has been already added as we added them in the previous page. Now after that, tap on this reset password option and wait for a while until the verification. To verify it, you will have to solve a puzzle. Here slide the button to complete this puzzle. And once you do so, your verification will be successfully done. Now, a 6-digit verification code will be sent to your email address you have entered just a while. Go ahead and check your mail. There you will find the password reset request sent by Paxful. Tap on that message to open it. Here you will find the code. Now copy this code and enter it in the previous page. Once you enter it, your code will be verified successfully. You can tap on this cross button at the top to remove this pop-up window. Now finally here you can set up a new password. Make sure your password meets all the requirements that is given just below the box. It must be 6 characters long using the symbols and numbers along with uppercase and lowercase. Once you have entered your new password, tap on this Save New Password option to save it. And then you can see you have successfully resetted your password. So in this way you can recover your Paxful account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.